Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. I'm just going to show you a little install we've done on a BMW i3. This is the one that had the older the newer EVO menu setup. There is one there for the older MBT. If you're unsure, just get in touch with us. So just a little quick video of this. Obviously, I'm sure you've seen quite a lot of our videos on YouTube in terms of the CarPlay and the Android Auto. As I say, what you need to do is hold down the menu button down there, and it switches over onto the Android Auto side, which we've also just set up for the purpose of the video. Works with the command paddle down below, as you can see me doing that there. It's nice and quick and responsive. Works with original rear camera. If you have one, you can put an aftermarket one there. I'm sure you're quite familiar with the CarPlay and the Android Auto setup on there, but if you're unsure, just give us a little tinkle or just check a few videos, because I'm going to keep this one short today. As you can see, it's nice, swift and responsive. There's no lag on there, because I say a lot of people ask questions about the lag, but obviously other factories may have it. But as you can see, it's nice, quick and responsive. If we want to go back to the main menu, just hold down the menu button, and there it goes, it shows that. Okay, oh, sorry it's only short today, but get in touch with us if you need us anyway. Okay, thanks a lot, bye bye.